How y'all doing? I'm Master Gunner Sergeant Dave Ames of the Marine Corps, and I'd like to introduce you to my world of maintenance. Since 1975, this has been the state-of-the-art of maintenance and logistics within the Marine Corps. Out of all the displays in this exhibit hall, I have seen no one who has addressed a change to my world.
Hey, Master Guns. Captain Charlton, Headquarters of the Marine Corps, and I'm here to help.
How you doing?
Great. I heard what you were saying. Why don't you come over here and let me introduce you to Sense and Respond Logistics. And why don't you bring your friends?
Y'all come on.
You're not hanging out with this guy, are you?
Nah, he won't buy a beer.
To address those issues, Master Guns, the Marine Corps has embraced Sense and Respond Logistics. The key of which is sensing a platform's health and condition, alerting the crews to that status, and sharing it across the enterprise. In order to do that, you have to be able to conduct a reliability-centered maintenance analysis, where system statuses and critical functions are identified, and then the appropriate technologies are aligned to those critical functions to monitor that system's capabilities. Once you have that technology in place, you're able then to monitor the system's health. And when a fault is detected, the crew can then be alerted. Once the crew is alerted, that information is shared across the enterprise. Once there, GCSS and Marine Corps will take that fault code and develop a work package. This work package will consist of the materials, the parts, and the support equipment required to make the repair effective. That work package will line up with the mechanic at the vehicle and start doing the maintenance. Once he starts doing the maintenance, he has the ability to reach back across the enterprise to access the technical data and the configuration of that system, as well as reach into a portal and gain subject matter experts support in conducting a reliable repair. Aiding that is the item unique identification devices that allow us to align the appropriate stocks to the equipment condition for readiness-based sparing, as well as once you've completed that repair and that configuration is changed because of that new part, sharing that information back across the enterprise. Once that information is in a shared data environment like that, you have the ability to make better decisions, knowing what are the right systems to make the next deployment, what are the right systems that need to come in for depot maintenance. These decisions are for not just today but tomorrow, looking 4 and 5 years out, understanding the strategic alignment of resources to continue those deployments and the effects on the equipment, as well as determining what equipment needs to come in for a service life extension program.
Captain, this sounds like the next generation of the same thing I've already been given. Displays on the board at shows like this. Before you and I retire, I would like to see that change.
Master Guns, right here, right now, smarter vehicles with embedded platform logistics extending the reach of our weapon systems. Crews are alerted to faults on their systems, and that information is sent off the platform to the enterprise to a common operating picture. I'm not talking about just any common operating picture with red, yellow, and green lights. I'm talking about a comprehensive view of how much fight is left in a system.